Good morning, children. This is Kiranjot, teacher. In the previous modules, we have finished explanation of chapter India under Delhi Sultanate. Now, next, in this module, we will do revision in the form of question answers. So, class, when you will start your answers in a notebook, you will start this chapter. First of all, you have to write down the key terms that is given in your book. Then you start the question answer. Now, see, first question. Describe the social division in the Delhi Sultanate. How will you write this answer? You all know that there are four groups in which the society was divided. You see, the society was divided into four groups: aristocrats, priests, town people, and farmers. You can see the explanation over here. I have explained all the groups in this answer. Aristocrats form the highest and the most powerful group in the social hierarchy. This wealthy class comprised the sultans, the nobles, the royal family, the landlords, the Hindu kings, and the princes. Next, priest. This class consisted of religious scholars such as ulemas, qazi, and Hindu Brahmins. Third, town people. These group people lived in towns. They comprised traders, artisans, and craftsmen. Last one is a farmers group. They form the class of a common people. The farmers were the most suppressed class. Their condition make more deplorable when their crops were destroyed by floods. Next question is, who was known as Tute Hind? You all know I have explained also. Its answer is Amir Khusrau was known as Tute Hind, the parrot of India, who was poet in the court of Alauddin Khalji. Next question is, describe the administrative division of the Sultanate. Administrative division in the descending order had been provinces, sheikhs, paraganas, and villages. The governor ran the administration of a province with the help of officers called naktis. The officer who headed a sheikh called shikdar. The administration of villages were run by muqaddam, patwari, and munshi. Write a note on the development of literature and language during the Sultanate period. First point is, the Sultanate period saw the spread of Persian and Arabic languages and the birth of new language called Urdu. Great literature was produced in Indian regional languages such as Sanskrit, Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, and Kannada. Amir Khusrau, also known as Tute Hind, Manhaj-us-Siraz and Ziauddin Barani and Ibn Battuta wrote useful accounts in Persian about the lives of Sultan. Next question is, which style of painting was popular during the Sultanate period? Which dynasty popularized this style? The Rajput style of miniature painting was popular during the Sultanate period. Lodi dynasty popularized this style. Write a short note on the state of education during the Sultanate period. Hindu children studied in temples while Muslim children went to mosque for education. Hindu schools were called pathshalas and Muslim schools were called madrasas. The Tughlaq dynasty gave emphasis on the spread of education. Next question is, that is the last question, which were the four cities built in Delhi during the Sultanate period? Siri, capital city of Siri, Tughlaqabad, Jahanpana, and Firuzabad. These were the four cities built in Delhi during the Sultanate period. Children, please you may write down these question answers in your notebook after the key terms, and after every answer please give a finishing line. Thank you.